What's up everybody, it's your boy CJ. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about two brand new devices from Aqara, today's video partner. And they are genuinely going to shake things up in the smart home security space. We've got the Camera Hub G350 and the doorbell camera G400. And trust me when I tell you, these are not just incremental upgrades. These things are packed with features that smart home enthusiasts have literally been asking for. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's get into it. All right, so let's start with the Camera Hub G350 because this thing had me doing a double take when I first read through the specs. First thing first, this camera is Matter 1.5 certified. Now, if you've been following the smart home world at all, you know that Matter has been the standard everyone has been trying to get right. And Aqara is one of the first camera manufacturers to actually hit that Matter 1.5 spec level. That means you get live view, two-way talk, and alerts all working at the Matter fabric level. And the best part is it plays nice with Apple Home, including HomeKit secure video, Google Home, Alexa, SmartThings, and even Home Assistant through RTSP. So basically, whatever ecosystem you are living in, this camera has got you covered. That kind of capability is huge for anyone who has been frustrated by devices that only work in one specific ecosystem. Now here's where it gets really interesting from a hardware standpoint. The G350 has a dual lens system. You have got a 4K wide angle lens paired with a 2.5K telephoto lens, and together they deliver up to 9x hybrid zoom. 9 times, people. We're talking about being able to zoom in far enough to read a label or clearly identify someone's face from across the room. The camera also has an f1.6 aperture combined with a 940 nanometer infrared lighting, which is invisible to the human eye, by the way. So night vision footage comes out sharp and with way less motion blur than you would typically expect from a camera at this level. But wait, it gets even better because this camera can actually move. The pan and tilt motor gives you a full 360-degree field of view with 0 blind spots. You can set up to 30 preset angles for quick access to specific spots, create cruise routines, and use the panorama viewfinder to jump to any area of interest with a single tap. And then there's this AI-powered auto tracking built right in. If a person or a pet moves through the frame, the camera follows them. There is even a close-up tracking feature that will automatically zoom in to capture more detail as it follows the subject. That is genuinely impressive stuff. Oh, and speaking of AI, the on-device artificial intelligence capabilities on this camera are next level. The G350 can detect specific objects like people, pets, and even flag lens obstruction. It can also pick up on specific sounds like alarms, crying, coughing, and barking. But here's another detail. It can detect smiles and hand gestures. So you can literally smile at the camera to trigger a photo capture or use a hand gesture to activate a smart home scene or routine. That interaction model is genuinely fun and it makes the camera feel more than just a surveillance device. And remember I said this is a camera hub, emphasis on hub. This device also functions as an Aqara Zigbee hub and a Matter controller and bridge. So all of your existing Aqara Zigbee devices can be brought under the Matter umbrella through this single camera. This is some serious multitasking for one piece of hardware. On the privacy side, Aqara built in a physical mechanism that actually covers the lens whenever the camera is powered off. Not a software toggle, an actual physical cover. Local storage goes up to 512 gigabytes on a micro SD card with NAS transfer support, and cloud storage is end-to-end encrypted through the Home Guardian plan. And privacy conscious users are going to really appreciate those details. All right, now let us move over and talk about the doorbell camera G400 because your front door deserves just as much attention as your interior. This is a wired doorbell camera, and that wire connection is actually a feature, not a limitation, because you can power it either through power over Ethernet cable, which also gives you a rock solid internet connection, or you can wire it to your existing doorbell wiring, running anywhere from 8 to 24 volts, while also connecting wirelessly over Wi-Fi 6 on both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands. Now the video quality on the G400 is 2K resolution with a 165-degree ultra-wide field of view. And here is a detail that matters more than people realize. It uses 3:4 aspect ratio. That vertical orientation means you can see visitors from head to toe, as well as packages sitting on your doorstep, all in one single frame. No more only seeing someone's face while their hands stay out of the view. The full picture is right there. Also, weather is not going to be an issue either because the G400 is IP65 rated for weather resistance, whether you are dealing with harsh winter conditions or scorching summer heat. This doorbell will keep working. Now, the AI detection on the G400 is split between local and cloud processing. Right out of the box, on device, it handles person and motion detection locally, which means it still records and triggers automations even if your internet goes down. Now, if you upgrade to the Home Guardian subscription and you unlock Cloud AI, that can identify faces, packages, vehicles, animals, and even flames. That cloud-based detection also gives you 90 days of stored footage and an AI video search feature, which you can use to find specific clips quickly without scrubbing through hours of recording. Storage options are similarly flexible with local micro SD support up to 512 gigabytes, NAS backup capabilities, as I mentioned earlier, and end-to-end encrypted cloud storage. iOS users also have the option to use iCloud storage through an iCloud Plus subscription. And just like the G350, the G400 plays nicely across platforms including Apple Home with HomeKit Secure Video, Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, and Home Assistant via RTSP. So to wrap this all up, Aqara is bringing some seriously compelling hardware to the table with both of these products. The G350 is a powerhouse indoor camera that doubles as your smart home hub, and the G400 is a wired doorbell that delivers premium features at your front door without compromise. There are links to both products that can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below letting me know which one you are more excited about, and subscribe so you don't miss what is coming next. I'm CJ, and I'll catch you on the next one.